Hi everybody, this is again your most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of this beautiful Irish crochet lace motif. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 23 double crochets in this circle. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, and 23. Pull the tail end to tighten and make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in same stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 3, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 1 stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Keep going. At the end of the round, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first chain, make a slip stitch in second chain, make a single crochet in this space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains and make a single crochet in next space. Chain 3 and make a single crochet in next space. Chain 3 and keep going. At the end of the round, chain 3 and make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first chain, make a slip stitch in second chain, chain 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Skip 5 chains and make a double crochet in 6 chain. Make a double crochet in next chain, make a double crochet in next chain, make a double crochet in next chain 4 times and 5 times. Make a double crochet in next space. Now I'm going to crochet chain 10. 1 2 3 4 5. Skip 5 chains and make a double crochet in 6 chain. This is my 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make a double crochet in next space, chain 10 and repeat. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in third chain. 1 2 3. Make a slip stitch 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. Make a slip stitch in 6 chain 3 and chain 1. Make a double crochet in this space, chain 1. Make a double crochet in this space, chain 1. Make a double crochet and chain 1. To help this video reach more people, please like it. Now let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Make a double crochet in next stitch and chain 1. Repeat 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Repeat in all spaces. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. We truly appreciate you. See you soon. Bye.